Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all of you to my channel. Dear friends, today I'll show you how to change your YouTube profile picture. Just sign in your account and go to YouTube Studio. Then here customization. Now branding. This is your YouTube channel profile picture and here is banner and watermark here. Now we want to change profile picture. Just remove it and upload and select your photo and open it. Resize your photo and select done. And now click publish. The work has done. Thanks a lot. Dear friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel.